Hello guys, welcome back to the Training Basket YouTube channel. If you guys are joining us for the first time, we are thrilled to have you here. And for our subscribers, it's good to see you again. In the simplest terms, operators in Python are special symbols that carry out arithmetic or logical computation. Think of them like the plus or minus signs in a math equation. In this video, we will discuss operators and we'll see how to use operators practically in Python. So let's start.
These are my operators. First one is arithmetic operator, second one is comparison operator, and third one is assignment operator. Then we have logical, identity, membership, and bitwise operator. So before going ahead, let's talk little bit about what are operators. So operators are special symbols that carry out some mathematical operations. And what are operands? Guys, operands are those on which these mathematical operations are carried out. So let's start. So for understanding the first operator, that is arithmetic operator, I am taking two variable a and b. So a equals to, let's suppose, 5 and b equals to 10. And if I'll perform a plus sign plus operation, a plus b, it will give me 15. Let's check it out. Uh, Python and then operators dot py. Perfect. It's giving 15. So just check the minus operation, a minus b. Yeah, it's giving a minus 5. Perfect. Then the next one, a division b, it is giving 0.5. But if you guys want your output in integer, then you guys can use floor division. So for that, I can use floor division. This is my floor division. So now it will give you 0. Yes, it is giving 0. So why floor division is being used here? See guys, if you want your output in integer terms, so let's suppose if you guys are getting 2.5 as an output, a floor division will give you 2 only. It will not give you the digits after point. And then we have modulus. Guys, what modulus will give? See, let's suppose if I am doing a modulus b, means 5 modulus 10. So we should do b modulus a. So let me write print b modulus a. It means, see guys, basically what I am doing here, I am dividing 10 by 5. So basically what will be the remainder? Because if you guys are doing a division b, it means you guys are looking for a quotient. Right now here I am looking for remainder, and remainder will be 0. Just check. uh, it is giving 0. B modulus A, it means 10 modulus 5. It means I am dividing 10 by 5 and I am checking the remainder. So this is my arithmetic operator. Let's jump into comparison operator. Why this operator is used? See guys, if you guys want to compare some value with something, so you guys can use this comparison operator. uh, I am just giving an example. Let's take a value of x, and let's put 10. Okay, so if I'll print x equal to, this is your comparison operator, first one, and here I am writing 13, it will give you false. Why false? Because it is not true. It is giving false. And if you guys will write print x is greater than 10, still it will give false, because it is not greater than 10, it is equal to 10. So if you guys will write greater than equal to 10, now it will give you true. See, it is giving true. Why? Because yes, it is equal to 10. That's why. Now, if I'll use x is less than equal to 10, still it gives me true. Why? Because yes, it is equal to 10. And if it is less than 10 also means let's suppose x equals to 5, then also it will give me true. Why? Because yes, the value of x is less than 10. So the condition is true. See, here it is giving me. Now, we have not equal to. Not equal to is very simple. Let's suppose I am printing x is not equal to 5, which is incorrect. It will give me false. If I'll run this code, see it is giving me false. But if I'll write 7 here, it will give me true. Because yes, 7 is not equal to 5. So this is all about comparison operator. Now it's time to understand assignment operator. Why do we use assignment operator, guys? If you guys want to assign any value to a variable, you guys can go ahead with assignment operator. Let's suppose I am just writing z equals to 10. So basically I am using an assignment operator equal to. I have written z equals to 10. So I have used assignment operator. So if I'll print this z, will give me 10. See, it is giving me 10. But if you guys want to use this operator, so it is like z equals to z plus 2. So what is the value of z? It's 12, correct? See, it's 12. I can also write this statement like z equals to z plus equals to 2. So basically, this statement and this statement, both statements are correct. Both statements will give the same answer. But what is the difference, guys? In above statement, I have used two variable. Definitely, it will use more space because two variables are being used here. And here we are just using a single variable. That's why it will use less space as compared to this statement. So that's why this one is more efficient. So I'll recommend to use this particular operator plus equals to, not this one. Now, if you guys want to use a plus minus equals to, like z minus equals to 2, it will give you 8. It is giving 8. Perfect. And if I'll tell you to use z into 2, z into equal to 2 means z multiplied by 2 equals to z. So it will give 20. So you are multiplying 10 by 2 and you are storing 20 in z. Now you guys will use a modulus like z modulus to z modulus equals to 2. It will give you 0. It is giving 0. So this is all about assignment operator. Now let's jump into logical operator. Here we have and, or, and not. See, let's suppose I am just taking a equals to true and b equals to false. So the first operator is and. Now, if I'll print a and b, It means it is checking whether my A and B both value are true or not. Means the value of A should be true and the value of B should also be true. If any one of them is false, it will return false. Otherwise, it will give true. Right now, A is true, B is false, so it will give false. Means it is checking whether the value of A and B both are true or not. So right now both are not true, so it is giving false. If I'll change it to true, it will give me true. See, it is giving true. Now the second one is or. Or basically means, see, any one of them should be true, so it will return true. Otherwise it will return false. Means we have both the values of A and B true, so in this case it will give true. Print A or B. If I'll print this, it is giving me true. But if any one of them will be false, then also it will return false. So like it is false now. Now it will give me true. It is giving true. But if I'll change the value of A from true to false, now it will give me false. Because see, both the values of A and V are false. That's why it is giving false. So these are your logical operators. Now we have identity operator. Now inside identity we have to check what is the difference between is and equal to. So let's suppose we have a equals to 20, and we are saying whether my a is equal to 20 or not. So a equals to 20. So definitely it will return true, or it will give true. See, it is giving true. But if I'll write a print a is b, not a is b, a is 20. In both the cases, it will give true. See, it is giving true. See, it is giving true. Now, let's suppose if we have b equals to 20, and we are saying a equals to b and a is b. Here also it will give me true. Yes, it is giving true. Now the question is, what is the difference between these two operators? See, if I'm using equals to, it means I am checking for value. But if I'm using a is operator, I am checking whether these two values are stored at the same location or not. Now, see, what does it mean? See, if I'll print the ID of A and ID of B, it will be same. So if I'm using is operator, it means I am looking for location, whether these two values are stored at same location or not. It means A is accessing 20 from the same location and B is accessing 20 from the same location. We don't have a 20 at different location. So this is the difference between is and equals to. And then we have is not as just opposite of is. It means if I'll write a print A is not B, it will give false. Because here I'm just checking, okay, uh, A and B are not stored at same location. So it's false, correct? So it is giving false. Now we have membership operator. So let's suppose we have a string name equals to training basket. Okay. and I want to check whether my space is there or not inside a string. So if space in name, so I'm just checking whether a space is present inside name or not. So here I can say print present. So it will give you present because it is present. And not n is just opposite of n. So if I'll write the same code here, and let me just uncomment this code, and let me write not n, and here I can write else print uh, not present, and here I can write present. Why? Because if this condition is satisfied, it will print not present. And I am saying is whether space is present or not in name. So the condition is it is not present. So it will give you not present. Okay, why it is giving present if space not in name? Okay, yes, it is correct. Here I should write not present, and here I should write present. Yes, because space is there, correct? Okay, perfect. So this is your uh, so this is your membership operator. Now let's jump into bitwise operator. Now, guys, bitwise operator generally are used to carry out operations. So, guys, generally bitwise operators are used to carry out operations on binary numbers. So we have and or. So 0, 0, 1, 1, not 0, 1, 0, 0. And for 1, it will be 0, 1. For 2, it will be 1, 0. And for 3, it will be 1, 1. So and means if we have 0, 0. And means if we have 0, 0, it will return 0. If we have 0, 1, it will return 0. This is the meaning of AND operator. If we have 1, 1, it will return 1. If we have 1, 0, it will return 0. So let's check for 2 and 3. 2 and 3. So 2 is 1, 0 and 3 is 1, 1. So see guys, here we have 1 and 1. So it will give 1, and for 0, 1 it will give 0. So the result will be 1, 0. So it is 2. So it should give 2 in return for this operator. See, it is giving 2. Let's also check for 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Okay. So for 1 we have 0, 1, and for 3 we have 1, 1. So see guys, 0, 1 is 0 and 1, 1 is 1. So output will be 0, 1. 0, 1 basically means 1. So it will give you 1. See, it is giving 1. Okay. Now let's check for OR operator. This is your AND, this one. And now let's write a code for OR operator. So print 1 or 3 and 1 or 3. We should make it 2. Perfect. Okay, now let me just comment this code. Now, now 1 and 3. So this is 1, 0, 1, and this is 3, 1, 1. So for OR operator, we have for OR we have 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, and 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. We have 1. Perfect. So now for 1 and 3, so this is 1, 0, 1, and this is 3, 1, 1. So 0, 1 is 1 and 1, 1 is 1. So it will give 1, 1. So means 3. So the output of first code is 3. Let's check for second one, 2 and 3. So 2 is this 1, 0, and 3 is this 1, 1. Now again the output will be 3. Let's check. Now in both the cases it is giving 3. So guys, this is all about operators in Python. If you guys have any doubt related to this, and if you guys will suggest, okay, make a video related to this. So this is all about operators in Python. I hope you like this video.